This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Giuseppe S. Zerillo. Multiple floor plans currently available in this newer strip center on heavily traveled Lake Street in Addison, Illinois, right next to a McDonald's. 850 square feet to 1,700 square feet available. Tons and tons of parking for all your patrons. Center currently has a couple of small businesses along with a currency exchange and restaurant. Pylon sign space available as well for your location. Interiors of locations are almost ready to go with minimal build-out needed for most types of businesses, including nail and hair salons. Come see this one for yourself and bring your ideas. For more information, review the details below or contact Giuseppe S. Zerillo at 708-583-8300.